Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Access and creating a new blank database. This gets the structure ready. Once done, add a primary table and define an ID primary key so relationships work. Import or paste a small sample of your data now to validate field types. You want text, number, date set correctly. Make sure to save frequently. These first steps prevent schema headaches later and let you build forms and queries on a stable foundation. Next, you design tables and relationships so the database scales. Normalize to avoid redundant data, link tables with one-to-many relationships, and enable referential integrity to prevent orphan records. Then build queries. Start with select queries to check joins, add calculated fields for totals, and use parameter prompts to accept user input. Once queries return expected results, save them as named objects. Those queries feed forms and reports, and make automation predictable and fast. Finally, you construct forms and reports to interact with users and produce outputs. Use bound controls on forms so edits update tables directly, and add subforms to display related records. For reports, base them on validated queries, set grouping and totals for clear summaries, then preview in print layout. Before deploying, compact and repair the database and create a backup. If things go wrong, restore the backup and check relationships and query criteria, first to locate broken links or incorrect joins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.